In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Samsung Galaxy A03S from the very beginning. So let's get started right away. First thing, choose your language. Here we have English. If yours is different, choose another option. Then, next step, press Start. You have to check all these three and then press Next. Then you need to select your Wi-Fi network, so the phone connects to the internet. Then type the password of your Wi-Fi network. Once it's done, press Connect. Then press Next. By the way, it's normal that this step takes a bit more time. Just let it do its thing, don't touch anything. It's totally normal that it takes more than a minute or two to complete. Next step, you should have this screen appearing. It simply asks you if you want to copy data, so the pictures, your password, and other personal data from another phone. If you want to start fresh, you need to select Don't Copy. If you select Next, it will tell you how to actually transfer the data from your older phone. In my case, I'll just press Don't Copy because I want this phone to be completely new. Here they'll ask you to connect to your Google account. If you don't have a Google account already, you can create one by clicking on Create Account. You can also skip completely this step and connect later, after you set up and after you start using your phone. I highly recommend that you sign in into your Google account, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to download any apps. So the phone will be pretty unuseful. So I'll go ahead and type the email of my Google account. I'll press Next. And now I'll type the password of my Google account. And then when I'm done, I'll press Next. Here they will ask if you want to add a phone number to this Google account. You can put your phone number by pressing Yes, I'm in, or skip it. And this is what I'll do by pressing over here. Here you're going to press Agree. Here it's up to you to accept what will be next. In my case, I like to turn them all off. Then press Accept. At this step, they will ask you to put some sort of security to protect your phone, so no one can simply pick your phone and have access to your personal data. So you can choose between a face recognition, fingerprint, make a pattern or a PIN code, or even a password to unlock your phone. So this is up to you to choose any of these. In my case, I'll just skip this step, but it's always recommended to use something on the lock screen to forbid people using your phone. So I'll press skip anyway. You can always do it later. At this step, you can program the Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google." You can give some commands to your phone, and the Google Assistant can reply to you. In my case, again, I'm going to skip it. Here they will ask you if you want the Google Assistant on your lock screen. Again, up to you to agree. In my case, I don't like that, so I'll simply skip. Then they will ask you which apps you want the phone to download for you. I prefer downloading my apps personally without them being automatically included in my phone. So I'll simply uncheck the first box here, and it will uncheck all of them. I don't need this. I will get them myself, and press OK. At this step, you can skip or press Next. You may not have this screen that you're looking right now. This is for AT&T because this phone is locked to AT&T. So I'll just press Skip. Press Yes because I'm not going to use AT&T anyway. They'll ask you if you want to connect to your Samsung account, which is different than your Google account. I don't have one, so I'll simply skip. If you have a Samsung account and want to get all the features associated with one of them, go ahead and log in. In my case, I'll skip it. And I will skip it again. Okay, press finish. And your Samsung phone is now set up. It's perfectly normal, and I would suggest that you let this phone sit for at least 5 minutes or even 10 minutes, because you see there's stuff downloading in the background right now. The phone will finish the setup itself. So just let it download and install what it should install, and come back after, as I said, 5 or 10 minutes. It should be completed. And then you'll be able to install your own apps from the Play Store and simply use your phone the way you want. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks.